All right, so if the key won't power the Lexus on, you can pop this out of the dash with a flathead screwdriver. Once you have that out, you'll see 3 wires here plugged into it, a green, black, and red, and then a little connector, and then you'll have red, big red on the right here, and then the middle one has a smaller red wire. Over here you've got yellow and red. Now, the black is the ground, so we're not going to mess with that. So if you follow this, that'll be that middle one. And we're going to disconnect this. You can see 3, so we're not going to touch the middle, but we're going to use wire or metal paper clip and just touch these 2 metal terminals in here together. I've unbent the paper clip so it can touch both. And when we do this, it should power the toy on. You saw the spark, and you can see the dash light comes on there. So again, if you do this, you can see the little spark there. There you go. So if this works, but your key doesn't work, then the issue is going to be the ignition switch itself.